Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand this lead code problem 2657. We have to find the prefix common array of two arrays. What the question saying that you are given to zero integer from permutations a and b of length n. So basically, it is saying if you see the array, we have given array a and b, right? Like this, we have given. So the question is saying that you are given these two arrays A and B and both having the same length n. Okay. Now it is saying that for every index, right? Let's suppose if you talk about 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. So for every index, you need to find how many numbers are common. Let's suppose from I'm talking about index 0 and we'll go to some index I. Okay. Then from B, we'll go 0 to some index I. I can be go till n minus 1, right? And I start from where? 0 to n minus 1, right? Means n minus 1, let's suppose in this case, I is start from 0. It goes to 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes to 3 to 3. So this array will become like how? Either we will talk about 0 a0 or a1 or a2, like this we can say that, right? These are this is the possible indexes, we can say. Means start from 0 and goes to n, right? Like this we can say that. Okay, so basically we have to see the common in both array, right? And then that common is called prefix common array A. So it is saying these are the prefixes array, right? And you have to, from the prefix array, right, you have to build the prefix common array of A and B. That is called, let's say, if A and B already we have, so we can say this output array is C. Okay, so we have to return this array C, where array at C, we can say, is nothing but we have to count we have to count the common elements in the prefix, in both prefix, we can say, either in this or this. Okay, let me tell you through the example so you'll understand clearly. Okay, so think like we have A, here we have given is 1, 3, 2 and 4, correct? And B have B 3, 1, 2 and 4. So these are the two things we have given, right? Now what should we do? Let's say I'll talk about index 0. So 0, 1, 2 and 3 I'm talking. Okay, so when I is 0, right, what is the prefix A? Prefix A. Okay, so we'll say prefix A at 0 is 1, so we'll say the value is 1 here. Now let's talk about the prefix B. What is the value at this here, right? At this value. So we'll say, okay, here we have is 3. So here we found 1, here we found 3, right? So we will write together. Similarly, we'll say, okay, what is common? So we have to check the common. Common is nothing, empty. This is 1, this is 3, so this will be nothing. Now we'll talk about what is the common CI that we will put. So that is what we have here is 0. We didn't find anything else. Okay, like this we'll continue. We'll say, okay, this is for, this is the common things that we have to look into, and these are their values. We can say that like this. Can we say that like this? We will say that. Okay, similarly we talk about other values. Let's go to check other values. When I equal to 1, we'll say what is the value we have is, now we will build 1 and 3, right? Because now we have is 3, previously was 1. Now for same case we will say, okay, here we have 3 and 1, like this. Similarly here, what are the commons are there? Here common will say now is 1 and 3. Two things are common. Now we'll check at CI how many are common. So both are same, so we'll say, okay, 2's are common, so we'll put 2. Similarly we'll go for other values. Let's say for 2 will go, so here to here we'll find, So we'll say okay, 1, 3 and 2 are the common elements. Similarly, we'll say 3, 1 and 2 are the common elements from here to here. And then what are the commons are there? So we'll say okay, 1, 2 and 3 are common. So total 3 elements are there, right? Similarly, we'll go for the 3. We'll check okay, from here to here how many? So we'll say 1, 3, 2 and 4. Similarly, for the B, whole array will come, means, oh sorry, we'll take like this, okay, because we are taking the pair. Now we'll say okay, 3, 1, 2 and 4 means total 1, 2, 3 and 4 will come. So here 4. If you see, we got 0, 2, 3 and 4, and this is what we have in this output as example, right? So basically this CI means the common array we have to return as an output. So what we have seen till now, guys, we have seen that we have to find the prefix a, and from the prefix a you will check these two, prefix a and prefix b will check. If both are common, we'll write it here, otherwise we'll put directly 0. In other cases, we'll go for, let's suppose for other index 1, we'll take a sub array, we can say that, right? We can take the pairs 1 and 3. Similarly, for from the b we'll take, right, the prefix, right? So from here to here we'll take a sub array, we can say that, and we'll check the common. If common is present there, how many commons are there, those we will put on the A. This is exactly what we are trying to do here, right? So I'll show you first the very simple approach that I have tried, right? So what I tried, I'll show you. So basically, if you come here, okay, the very first what I want, give me 1 second. Let's try to understand. Okay, the very first what you should understand is we have given two things, A and B array we have given, right? Like this, A we have given and B we have given, correct? So we'll take like this. So we need to create another array, that is common array C, that because we have to return that array here, right? So this is what we are going to do, guys. Okay, now think that if I want to go for all the pairs, right? So the very first will go, how many times we have to go, means we have seen that we have started from the 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then we have find the prefix of A and prefix of B, and then we have find the common, and then we have found what, the C, remember? So those part, if you want to do, right, we need to do is, the very first thing is we will create for a loop that for all the index, and at each index what we need to find, we have to find a pair. So to find the pair, we know that we need a two nested loop we need. So let's call pair. For pair, what will be the pair? Pair will be I and J and K, right? Because you know that how we'll find the pair, we'll find the pair, let's suppose for 1, 3, how will go for 1 and 3, how will go for 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, like this. We will, if you want to find, how will you find? So basically, so let's suppose when we reach at here, right, when I will reach at here, let's suppose 0, 1, 2. So when I reach to 2 here, then it means J should start from 0 till the 2, right? It should come. So J will go 0 to this place, it will go, and for each element, right, for 1 and 3 compare, 3 and 1 compare, 2 and 3 compare, means we have to compare all the elements. It means A at I means the first element, right, it should compare with from here to here, right? So each one should be appear in 3, 1 and 2. If it is appearing, means we will find that increase the count plus plus, it is existing, so find the increase the count, right? Because count is, we start from the outside. So this will do, and we'll find the common, how many commons elements we have in here, right? Like this. So you find the count, and then you will just add the count, count plus plus you will do, and you will return here, right? So you are just setting the at each I. I'll repeat it again, don't worry. So very first we'll go for all the indexes of the given array, right? Then for all the pairs, right, we know that I will start from some index, right? So we have to write the j will start from 0 to up to the current index we will go, right, that we have seen. And for each index, right, we have to compare, means the current element array at j should be compared with array at b at k. So for that we need another loop, so that is a k. So this is a kind of, it will give you a pair as a sub array, we can say that, and we'll compare that element. Whenever we'll find the array is common, we'll increase the count plus plus, and at each index of ci we will have some value. If it is not matching, it will be 0 by default. Otherwise you will get some count value and you will set that value. This is exactly as simple as the logic we will build, right? And this code will accept, guys, so don't worry, this code will accept, right? Code is getting accepted. So another approach is, I'll just show you the code so you will understand how you can attempt another way, right? Let me show you this approach. So in this approach, you will build a common prefix, right? You can say the frequency, sorry, frequency. So what you need to do is you will take the result as an array, right? And another is frequency. The result is like a C, you can say that, okay? And there will be a frequency. So for each element you will compare the, you will increase the frequency. So very first you will increase the for loop, right? And then from each for loop you will build the frequency. So what is the benefit of creating the frequency is, so this is a optimal approach, guys, okay? Since array contains numbers from 1 to n, so you will go with the loop 1 to n, right? And we have to track the occurrence. To track the occurrence, right, you will, we should track the occurrence, right? And for that we'll do some steps that we will talk about, okay? So the main thing that I want to talk here is, whenever a number appears twice overall, right? So once, twice overall means what? Once it is in a and once it is b, right? Means it become common. So we'll say, okay, it means we'll just say that frequency at some value will be there, and just say that plus plus. So it will increase frequency at, let's say, the num is an element, we can say. So increase the frequency. If the frequency becomes equal to 2, so if frequency becomes 2, that's number is a new number, right? New common, we can say. So we'll increase the 1 plus, right? Like that we have to go and we have to increase the value, okay? I can do the dry run here, it's not a problem. So what you need to do, basically you increase a and you increase b similarly, and if you find the value, right, increased, you just need to update the result at I, like we have done, and you will return the result, okay? So this is very easy, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, right? I'll give me 1 second. I'll do the dry run so you will understand. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Basically I'll put the comment in the comment box and you will understand the dry run, okay? I don't want to make the video little larger, guys. So that's all in this video. In case if you have any doubt, you ask me in the comment box. I'll definitely help you there, okay? Please like, subscribe, and support ExpertFunda, right? And share with your friends this video. And if you have any doubt, right, you let me know. If you want to understand any topic, you let me know, right? I'm going to build some courses, so you will see that also, right? So please subscribe and be consistent. Try to solve daily questions, the some patterns, right? So it will help you, okay? So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.